Why you should never hold a sneeze. You think you're being polite by holding in that sneeze? You're not a hero. You're a pressurized pipe bomb. A sneeze that trapped air has to go somewhere. It forces its way up the eustachian tubes, hitting your eardrums like a Mike Tyson hook. Congrats, you just traded your hearing for a moment of silence in the library. But wait, it gets worse. The back pressure can actually rupture a blood vessel in your brain, or even pop a hole in your throat. You literally blew a fuse in your own biological hardware.